before bacon-lined grocery shelves, before brunch menus made pork belly fashionable, there was the cheek. Hog Jowl. When hogs were slaughtered on plantations, enslavers kept the hams, the loins, the chops, the cuts that brought money or prestige. What remained were the overlooked pieces. The head, the feet, the organs. Cheek was salted down, sometimes smoked, preserved because preservation meant survival. For enslaved Africans, hog jowl wasn't novelty. It was winter insurance. The salted pork would last and the fat sustained them. In a system designed to give the bare minimum, that fat became fuel. Hog jowl simmered in iron pots beside field peas. It rendered into greens, giving bitter leaves depth and body. A small piece could flavor an entire pot, stretching protein across many mouths. And stretching food was an art. In West and Central Africa, whole animal cooking was common long before the Atlantic crossing. Nothing wasted. Bones for broth, skin for texture, fat for energy. They didn't see scraps. They saw possibility. Cheek, when cured and sliced thin, carried a balance of salt and smoke. Crisped in a pan, it released its richness slowly. It wasn't glamorous, but it was dependable. Through emancipation, hog jowl stayed in black kitchens. It became tied to New Year's Day meals, cooked alongside black-eyed peas and greens. Some say it symbolizes prosperity. But prosperity was not the original meaning. Endurance was. Hog jowl represents survival on the margins, nourishment found where others didn't look. And in that survival, culture was preserved. Every slice carries a story of labor before dawn, smokehouses behind cabins, and the quiet knowledge that even what's left behind can carry strength. This is Soul Food Stories. Come back tomorrow for the next dish in our 28-day series.